So I've been reading the comments, and every single comment has been great success in terms of people supporting the idea, people loving the idea. But there's those very few people that they were concerned and they thought that I was lying about the Pi cryptocurrency on my channel, which is honestly makes me feel sick because I'm not the type of YouTuber to come here, sit here, waste all this time creating a video and a content for you guys to lie to you guys. That's just not my channel. And I just wanted to clarify some of the things about the Pi cryptocurrency, how much it's actually worth right now, and if you should actually continue mining the Pi cryptocurrency on your phone, or if you haven't started, should you actually download the app and start mining the Pi on your phone? Is this a good idea to start? Is this actually legit to start mining the Pi cryptocurrency on your phone for free? So stay tuned. We're gonna talk about Pi cryptocurrency. Let's do it, baby. Let's go. What is happening, guys? Welcome to another video. My name is Yousef Zad, and today we're going to be talking about the Pi cryptocurrency and all the hype and all the craziness around it. I did a video almost a week ago, and everybody supported the video. It was a great success. I was able to I was able to give you guys some of the information that you guys were asking, some of the questions that you guys been asking, I was able to answer. But there was few comments in my other videos that people posted, and they said that I was lying about the price of Pi cryptocurrency, which made me kind of surprised, and I wanted to get it out of the way. And I know you guys are concerned and you guys are worried. Is this legit? Are they not legit? And go over those kind of details with you guys in this video. First, you have to realize that not everything can be 100% said and done, but I have a strong feeling that the Pi cryptocurrency is pretty legit. They just got verified on their Twitter account. They have over 240,000 followers on Instagram, and I know they're becoming verified sometime soon. So I leave their also Instagram and their Twitter account down in the description for you guys, so you can go ahead and follow them if you guys like. But the question that it's standing out, are they actually legit? How much each Pi actually worth right now? Again, don't forget, I'm gonna leave my invitation link for you in the description below, so you can only basically start mining Pi cryptocurrency on your phone or iPad or your device just by going to this link and signing up with my name. You cannot just download the app and basically get on the app. Someone has to actually invite you. So it's important to click on the link, use my username Yousef Zad to basically get the invitation code and basically start mining on your phone for free. But the question that a lot of people ask, how much is it actually worth? Is the Pi cryptocurrency right now worth anything? So to answer that question, I have to explain you that the whole launching of Pi, it goes into 3 different phases. Basically, we have phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3, which each phase basically does something different in order for the Pi cryptocurrency to go public one day. So that one day, we still don't know when exactly it is going to be. But you have to realize that they're not going to put all that time and effort for something to be fraud and for something to be not legit. It just doesn't make sense in this type of the world that we're living right now. So you have to realize over 8 million people are actually mining the Pi cryptocurrency on your phone. There was a phase 1. Now we are in phase 2, which is still expanding the network, inviting more people to the platform, making people verified, making it more legit. And there has been some transfers of buying and selling Pi in different platforms. I'm not sure, honestly. I've seen a lot of pictures on Google and here and there in Instagram. People bought and sold Pi cryptocurrency in different ways, but I'm not sure how, and I don't think that's even legal right now. But you have to realize you can only mine the Pi cryptocurrency on your phone right now. You cannot sell it, you cannot trade it, it doesn't worth anything as of right now. But just like any cryptocurrency, you have to realize they all start from zero. They all start from somewhere, and you have to realize they're not going to be worth $10,000 overnight. Even if you look at Bitcoin with the crazy jump that it had within the past few years, it's done after 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 years. So it needs to build the momentum. You have to realize that there is over 8 million people on Pi cryptocurrency that they're mining. They're giving their all best for the basically the coin, and I know it's going to be out soon. So you just have to be patient, take the time, Pi, and mine on your phone for free. You got nothing to lose. I don't understand why people are even talking about this. It's not like you're losing electricity bills, or you're losing money mining the thing, or you have to buy new equipment for this. All you have to do is download the app, just another like 200 apps that is on your phone or your iPad, and just mine once a day. All you gotta do is go to the app, click the bolt sign, and that's it. Yes, you can invite more people if you like, and you can earn more by inviting more people under yourself, which you can give them your code. But to start, you have to use my code to start basically mining in the Pi app. But one thing that I wanted to clarify, and I'm gonna post the link either here or here for you guys so you can see. If you actually Google Pi network value, there's this website that comes up. The name of the website is coindataflow.com. So coindataflow.com. If you go to this website, they're actually gonna give you the chart of the rundown of how much Pi cryptocurrency is worth right now. This is all simulation. This is all guessing. It might be much higher. It might be much lower. We don't know that yet. But based on the number of people who are on the network, based on all the media, on the news, on the people who actually created this platform, this is the evaluation that this website is giving the Pi network. And right now, the Pi network price is 0.37 cents per Pi. So almost 38 cents per Pi. But this is all an estimate. It's not real, because we're not in the phase 3 yet. So all the Pis that you have on your app technically worth zero as of right now, until the day that they go public, which I think it's gonna be near future. I'm guessing it's gonna be by the mid 2021, which is not far away from that. And you have to realize you cannot mine the Pi cryptocurrency on your phone as the same rate till then. This is gonna break down and become smaller and smaller every couple of months to a year. So you wanna start doing it now before it's too late and it's already too hard to basically mine it on your phone. But knowing the website and the data that I get by Googling, you can Google it. I'm gonna put the link down there. It's called Coin Data Flow. You have the Pi network Pi price of 37 cents per Pi. Yes, it has gone all the way up, I believe, to, so the all-time high is about 44.3 cents, which is insane. And the date of the starting of the transaction that has been going on, according to this website, which I'm gonna also put it right here for you guys, they started from March 22nd of this year, 2020, and their all-time high is 44 cents. Now they're about 37 cents. But you have to realize that they're not gonna go Bitcoin overnight. They're not gonna go public overnight. This takes time. They have to invest time, effort, money. Companies need to come and start investing into the Pi network in order for it to go to the phase 3, which I think it's gonna be sometime in near future. So, I mean, by all means, if you really think it's worthless, then you don't have to do it. But you're gonna be doubting it right now, and when it goes public, when it goes big, when everybody starts selling their Pis, you're gonna be kicking yourself and you're gonna be like, how come I didn't do it? I could have just done it for free. I didn't have to purchase any new equipment. I didn't have to do anything, and I could have just basically start mining for free on my phone every day, and I could have earned money. You're not losing anything. That's what I try to tell you guys, is by mining the Pi cryptocurrency on your phone, especially nowadays that you're constantly on your phone and you have all day you're on your phone, you're not gonna lose anything in order to make money with the Pi cryptocurrency. All you need to do is download the app, use my invitation code YousefZad to get enrolled, start earning Pi for free on your phone. And then if you like, you can invite your family and friends so you can build your own network, so there's more people under you. So basically the network grows every day. But one thing that you guys have to realize, from day one till now, that has been over 8 million people mining on their phones. It's been such a short period of time. Not all the cryptocurrencies can actually do this, and not all the cryptocurrencies are globally known. There is some that are basically so small and they're not basically in every single country. But this one literally in Middle East, in Asia, Europe, South America, North America, Australia, you have people mining the Pi cryptocurrency on your phone, on their phone basically, all around the world. So take the time, download the app, make sure you use my code, make sure you take the time to actually smash the like button for this video and subscribe to my channel. I truly appreciate you guys being here, watching my content. Smash the bell so you get notified every time I release a new video. Hope to see you guys soon again. Have a great day and ciao.